Want to use different debit or credit cards for different Klarna purchases? In this video, I'll show you how to add and manage multiple payment methods in the Klarna app. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Having multiple cards gives you flexibility at checkout. Klarna makes it easy to add and switch between them. Open the Klarna app and go to your Account or Settings section. Look for Payment Methods or Manage Cards. Tap on Add a new card or the plus symbol icon. You'll be prompted to enter your card details manually or, on some devices, by using your camera to scan the card. Once you enter the security code and billing information, the card will be saved to your account. You can set one as your default payment method. A crucial pro tip: naming your saved cards can be incredibly helpful. If the app allows it, rename them to something like Main Debit Card or Travel Rewards Credit Card. This makes it easy to select the right one quickly during checkout, especially if you have several cards saved. And just like that, you've expanded your payment options. Adding multiple cards to Klarna ensures you're always prepared at checkout. How many payment methods do you have saved in your shopping apps? Is it 1, 2, or more? Tell us below. For iPhone users, watch our next video on how to add Klarna as a payment method on your iPhone. Thanks for watching.